Welcome. If you're looking to stop those in-app notifications every time creators you follow add new pins on Pinterest, you're in the right place. With the latest Pinterest update, managing your notifications is easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps to prevent in-app notifications for new pins from creators you follow, all from your PC. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. On the Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Settings. This will open up your account settings where you can control everything from your profile details to privacy and, most importantly, notifications. Inside the Settings menu, find and select Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune exactly which alerts you want to receive from Pinterest. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Activity from Creators. Under this section, look for new pins from creators you follow. This is the specific notification that sends you alerts whenever someone you follow adds a new pin. To stop receiving these in-app notifications, simply toggle the switch next to in-app to disable it. This means you'll no longer get those pop-up alerts inside Pinterest every time a creator you follow shares something new. Once you've made this change, don't forget the most important step. Click Save at the bottom of the page. If you skip this, your preferences won't be updated, and the notifications will keep coming. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you can enjoy browsing Pinterest without unnecessary interruptions, focusing only on the content you care about. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just repeat these steps and enable the in-app option again. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience and happy pinning.